Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how you'll be able to manage your Facebook page. Alright, and also how you'll be able to give access to people to manage your Facebook page, either giving them full access to your page or giving them access to manage certain activities. Alright, you learn how to manage your Facebook page yourself. You learn how to give people full access to manage your Facebook page, or give them access to certain activities on your page. Is that okay? Now you must understand that this is very important in order to preserve your page. Is that okay? In order to preserve your page so that you don't lose your page at some point. All right, maybe let's say eventually you mistakenly somehow you lose your account, you lose your Facebook account. If you lose your account and there is nobody that have full access to that page that is attached to the account, that means you have automatically lost everything. Is that okay? But if there is somebody that have full access, somebody else that has full access to that page, you can easily recover that page when maybe something happened to your Facebook account. But if nobody have full access to your page, it means you have lost everything. So it's very important that you give someone else full access to that particular page so that you can retrieve it at any point. Is that okay? And secondly, if you want to give somebody access, maybe to run adverts for you or to help you post, make post to your page and all of that, I'm going to teach you how to do all of that. Now this will also help you for easy monetization. It will make your monetization very easy. All right, we are going to learn more as we continue. All right, stay tuned. Don't forget, my name is Daniel. Subscribe to the channel, like the video if you are yet. Let's jump into the tutorial. All right, so what you want to do is you have to go, first of all, you have to go to your Facebook, click on your Facebook. All right, so once you open your Facebook, your Facebook app, now make sure if you really want to make use of your page very well, then you have to make sure that you are using normal Facebook. All right, normal Facebook app. Don't use Facebook Lite to manage your page. Is that okay? So when you open your Facebook, you come to this place. You simply click here. All right, you come to this place and click. Is that okay? When you click on it, it opens. You're going to see all of these tools. Is that okay? You are going to see all of these tools here. You're going to see all of these tools. Then you scroll down. Sorry. You scroll down. You will see pages. All right. You are going to see pages. All right. These are the place where your pages are. All right, even if you want to create page, you can still create it from here. So when you come to when you come to pages, you click on it. So when you click on pages, you are going to see list of the pages you have. You can see this is page. All of these things are the pages that I manage. All right, so I will simply choose the one that I want to work with. Is that okay? I will choose this. Anyone you choose, you click on this place. All right, if I want to choose this, then I'll click here and switch on to it. All right, so I'll click on switch now. You can see it have switched on to the page that I want to manage. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to come to this place. All right, but before we go that place, let's come here. All right, let's just go straight to what we have. I wanted to show you something else, but let's just go straight. Come to this place. I believe you can see. Come to this place where you have 3 dots. Click on it. All right, when you click on it, the next thing you want to do is to come to settings. Come to settings. Don't forget, this is the particular page, the name of the page you are working with. So come to settings. All right, click on settings. So when you click on settings, you are going to see page settings. Is that okay? Which is the first option. Is that okay? Click on page settings. So when you click on page setting, you want to scroll down. Scroll down. You see name, you see privacy and all of that. Just keep scrolling down. Keep scrolling down. Then you come to this place where you have new pages experience. All right. You come to this place where you have page access. You can see that is what we are working with. Come to click on page access. So when you come to page access, you are going to see the options you have. The first one is people with Facebook access. Is that okay? People with Facebook access. And the next one is people with task access. All right, let me explain to you. Facebook, anybody that have Facebook access have total access to your Facebook page. All right, anybody you give Facebook access have total access to your Facebook page. But anybody with Facebook anybody with people's task access has only access to the task that you have given to them. Maybe you want the person to be posting for you, or you want the person to be running only advert for you, or stuff like that. Then what you want to do is to give the person task access. But if you want the person to have full access to your page, all right, let's say maybe after maybe you want to monetize your page, and you want to send give access to somebody that will help you monetize your page, whether in Nigeria or outside Nigeria. This is where you use to give the person access. All right, click on people's with Facebook access and give them access so that they can manage your page. And secondly, it is very, very important you give people maybe even if you don't want to monetize, you are not monetizing yet, and you want to for your page to be secured, it's important you give people access to it. Maybe somebody that is related to you, your family member or your friend. All right, you can give the person full access so that if anything happens to your Facebook account, you will not lose your Facebook page. Is that okay? So that from that place, from the person you give full access, you can still retrieve your page back. All right, but if nobody else is having full access to that particular page, the chances of recovering that page is very, very rare. Is that okay? So that is what is there. But if you want the person you are giving access to only manage your page, maybe for posting, for advert and all of that, then you use task access. I hope you understand what I said now. All right, but for now I want to use let me use this one. Let's use this. For example, let's use people with full access. And secondly, let me give us something else. If you give somebody anybody that is with Facebook access, all right, the person can manage your page directly from Facebook app. All right, but people with task access cannot manage it with the app. All right, they can only manage it with Creator Studio. You know Creator Studio? I think I've made a video concerning Creator Studio, how you can use Creator Studio to upload your videos. Is that okay? People with task access can only manage your page with Creator Studio or Meta Suite. Is that okay? Creator Studio or Meta Suite. Is that okay? That's it. All right, so let's go straight to what we have. So you want to click on the first one. Click on this place where you have add new. All right, click on add new. So when you click on add new, you can see what is saying. Any action you take as this page, including when you check into a location, may be visible to anyone else who manage it. So anybody that has full Facebook access have full access to everything. All right, so to do that, you go to give the person access, just click on next. Click on next. Click on next. So when you click on next, you come to this place, come to your search bar and type the name of the person. Of course, the person has to be on Facebook. The person has to have a Facebook account. So you search for the person's name. So I will just search for um all right, let me use this name for example. This is the person I want to use. I'll click on it, search for the person you want to use, and then click on it. Then you come to this page, say allow this person to also have full control. Do you see that? Anyone with full control can give access to others. Do you have it? Do you see it? Remove anyone from the page, including you. Make sure you read everything carefully before you go ahead. All right. Content. The first one, you say content. So the person have access to all your content. He can manage your content. He can delete your post. He can delete anything. It send respond. He can respond to your messages. Community review, response, and remove unwanted comment. He can remove unwanted content. Create and manage and delete page. You can delete ad, everything. It can do it. Anybody that has this Facebook access. Then you come to this place. Read this place very well, because if you allow the person to have full access, it means that this person can easily remove you. You understand? The person can remove you. So I'll click on it. Right now, if I click on it, it means that even if the person want to remove me, the person can remove me. Is that okay? And it's important you click on that, so that if maybe you lose your Facebook account to somebody, you can easily remove the person and then use continue your with your page. Is that okay? So I'll click on give access. All right, click on, when you have selected whatever you want to select, you know what you want, then you click on give access. So when you come to give access, it will request for your password. All right, so you just type your password. All right, for me, I will close my password now. Just type your password and continue. After typing your password, you click on confirm. Is that okay? All right, I have input my password, and as you can see, I have successfully invited this person to have full access to my page. That is why if you come here, you can see what they wrote here. Invite expires in 31 days. You can see that after inviting this person, all I want to do is to tell the person, see, I have invited you to come and have access to my page. The person, because they are going to send notification to the person. All right, all the person have to do is just to accept the invitation. Once the person accepts the invitation, the person have automatically gotten full access to the page. Is that okay? And after 31 days, if the person did not accept, they will revoke the invitation. Is that okay? This is simply how to give access to anybody, either to have full access to your page or to have access to some activities. Is that okay? Thank you for staying tuned. I believe you understand everything I said. All right, in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to know if you have a video that is against Facebook law, maybe a video that has copyright claim or something. All right, I'm going to be discussing that with you in the next video. Is that okay? Thank you for watching, and subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about Facebook policies or how to manage your Facebook page, your Facebook account, or how to create a wonderful and amazing video content. Thank you for watching. Like the video if you want to see this kind of video in the future, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload new video here, you are going to be the first person to see the video. Is that okay? Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.